Once upon a time, in the bustling heart of the Roman Empire, there lived a young boy named Felix. He was known for his incredible speed and his love for running through the vibrant streets and marketplaces. Felix was eager to participate in the Colosseum Classic, the most thrilling race in Rome. On the day of the race, the sun cast its golden rays over the city as Felix made his way to the starting line. His heart pounded with a mix of excitement and nerves as he saw the other runners, tall and strong, ready to compete. As the race began, Felix sprinted ahead, his feet pounding the cobblestones, and he swiftly wove through the cheering crowds. But the race took an unexpected turn as the path led the runners into a series of ancient tunnels, filled with mysteries and challenges. Felix came across a wall with an inscription that read, "To move forward, one must look to the stars." He looked around and spotted a constellation carved above a hidden lever. With a pull, the wall opened to reveal a chamber with 3 chests. Each chest bore a different symbol: a lion, a horse, and an eagle. A riddle was inscribed on the wall: choose the chest that represents the guardian of the skies. Felix thought carefully and chose the eagle, the symbol of Jupiter, the king of the Roman gods. As he opened the chest, a golden feather appeared, and the next gate unlocked. As Felix raced towards the finish line, he encountered a final challenge. A heavy stone gate blocked his path. He noticed a series of pictures on the wall, depicting a story of teamwork. Felix realized he needed help and called out to the other runners. Together, they pushed the gate open and continued the race. Crossing the finish line together, Felix and the other runners were greeted by the cheers of the crowd. They had learned that teamwork and collaboration were the keys to unlocking the greatest victories. Felix wasn't just a fast runner that day, he became a hero who discovered that the heart of the race was in unity and friendship.